Let's do this question now. Let A1, A2, A3, A10 be a sequence of 10 consecutive natural numbers. Consider a new sequence of 10 consecutive even numbers having 2a10 minus 2 as the last term of the sequence. If the sum of numbers in the new sequence is 210, then the average of numbers of the original sequence without a10 is. Okay, so this was the earlier sequence in which a1 to a10 were given as the 10 consecutive natural numbers. Okay, then a new sequence of 10 consecutive even numbers are given. Correct. So I know the even numbers always differ by 2, right? So we have this last term. So can I write all the terms, right? Yes, minus 2. Then second last term would have been the 2a10 minus 4, because I've subtracted 2. Then third last term would have been 2a10 minus 6 and so on. So can you write this first term? Yes, it would be 2a10 minus, see, this is minus 2 and this was 10th term. Can you see, if we start from backward, if we start from backwards, I can write it as first term, right? So from second onwards, it would be 10th term. It would be 10th term. So from second onwards, I am adding minus 2. Can you see? I'm adding minus 2 because I am subtracting actually minus 2, and so on. So it would be 2a10 minus 2, and I have to add minus 2 into 1. This would be minus 2 into 2, right? So if this is the first term, second term, this would be the ninth term, because overall this has to be 10th. So if this is first, this is second, this has to be ninth. So this would be equal to 2a10 minus 2 minus 9 minus 2 into 9, and that would be minus 18. So the first term in this series would be 2a10 minus 18 minus 2 is 20. This is the term. Now, the sum of these numbers is given as 210. Okay, the sequence of these consecutive even numbers would be an AP, right? Would be an AP. This would be an AP with a common difference of 2. And how do you find the sum of AP? Sum of AP can be given as the average of this AP into number of terms, right? So average of this AP would be first term plus last term by 2, and that would be average would be first term plus last term by 2, and we need to multiply it with 10 to get the value of sum, and sum is already given as 210. So first term would be 2a10 minus 20. This would be, last term would be 2a10 minus 2 divide by 2 into 10, and it would become, this is minus 20 minus 22. So I'm left with 2a10 because it becomes 4a10. So 2a10 minus 11 into 10, and that is equal to 210. So from here I can find the value of a10 actually. It would be, this is 32. So I get the value of a10 as 16. I got the value of a10 as 16. Now I need to form this sequence, which was the initial sequence of 10 consecutive natural numbers, and the tenth number in this series was 16. Can you see, ninth would have been 15, and so on, right? So your first number would have been 7, because 16 minus 7 would be 9, and 9 plus 1 would be 10. That's how you find the number of terms in a number of terms in a series of natural numbers, right? So first term would have been 7, right? Now we need to find the average of numbers of the original sequence without a10. So I need to remove this a10, right? Remove this a10, and I need to find the average. Okay, so this is again would be an AP with a common difference of 1. And how do you find the average of an AP? First term plus last term, that is 7 plus 15 by 2, or 22 by 2, and that is nothing but 11, or option B is the correct answer.